Kementeri Ketenaga Social Welfare ba polling do hak jinge don lang Kementeri bakmi ketenan ain ke Dr. Amprling do hak sngi Pyllait kila pelai ke kot ain bala pin kelas ke Ktien Khasi ke kindon ain jong ke Pocso ak arajar khat ar hak program bala pelong hapan wut hotel Shillong habakan hak jinge lang ba polling do la ong ba hak ne ke jinge lang la ya wan lang na ke benta ke dau jong ke long briu man briu bat ban rakhe ya ke jinglong kena hak badang ya shekmat ban pe de kisngi ki jinglong samla bar karta bala khamrang ba inre ki po jeng ka jinglong khna ki de ke jing im ka balong ka ksiar ka balong ka bakmen bat sngotanat bha ulaong babaro kimshim layo mat ban pen benta ya kene ka jing kmen ka jing suk ha ka jing im kumta balai ka long ka badon kam bakum kinong thau ain bat kiru shampang ki wan lang ban ke khun ya kene ka kam runar ka balak ta bhai ki khun lung khna ki balak long ka apot ki jing sha thambor ki babon na ka leng ba leng do ulaong shu shu ba kene ka sngi ka dei ka basa khan mau ba hakasin ka ban kong hadin balak pemi ya ki alphabet Khasi house name kat pra sa po we menta la yo ya kene ka ain post name manchwa ka Pocso ban pen kelas ka Ktien Khasi
When on the dais, I look to my left and to my right, and I'm surrounded by members of the other gender. And that also would include a large majority of you of the dais. And I was wondering to myself as to why you are called the fair sex. Would that by implication also mean that we are the unfair? I think to undo that, we have come together for the cause of humanity and to celebrate childhood. One may look forward to days of one's youth and old age, but the golden era of one's life is one's childhood. And I'm sure that would resonate with almost all of you. However, not all of us have had that share of joy, happiness, and mirth in life, which is why it's so pertinent that as lawmakers and as stakeholders in various fields of life, we come together to combat this evil, this heinous crime of sexual offenses against children and women. It's a landmark day because for the first time after the introduction of the Khasi alphabet way back in 1841, meaning about 80 years ago, today we have this relevant law, 10 years old, Pocso in the Khasi script. It's so very important because just last month I had a casual encounter, a conversation with a friend from one of the villages. And when I spoke about this deadly virus of attacks and assaults on children, he made a very strange remark, something that woke up my sense as a lawmaker, when he said that if you talk about Pocso and child marriage, in our village, if anybody has to be arrested, more than 70% of our menfolk would be in jail, for all of them have married children. I think it's something all of us will not be comfortable with, but then we have to face the truth, because only when we face the truth shall set us free. And when we are free, then only we can act, and act proactively. I would like that the candles that we lit will not just be symbolic, let those candles be lit in the heart of each one of us, so that right from lawmakers to the translators to every diverse section, to parents, to faith leaders, let the light of the candle be lit in each one of them, so that they take it upon themselves that it is their responsibility as well to ensure the safety, the security, and the guarantee of a happy childhood to all children across Meghalaya.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center